a very important announcement for those who are writing mains this year, a very quick one. So what we are doing is we are bringing a very phenomenal, revolutionary document on the mains factual front. Just to explain you more, let me give you the example of the questions which have appeared last year, the questions on PLI scheme, the questions on semiconductor mission. So what UPSC do? UPSC picks some of the very important hot areas from the current affairs and try to frame two, three, sometimes four or five factual questions in mains preparation. Now, for those who are writing mains, they will be able to appreciate that if we don't have the content prepared for these very important areas which have been in news from the factual point of view, we have lack of confidence in writing the mains examination. So this year we are doing it very early, right? What we have done is we have picked up the most important topics in the last 1 year or 1.5 years, and we have compiled the mains factual document for you, right? Before I even show you the document, let me tell you, last year we released this document with around 65 pages, and all the three questions from the factual point of view were there in the document. The question on PLI, the question on semiconductor, and the environment guide question. All of them were there in the document, right? So this year again we are releasing a document. Let me show you how it looks like so that you have the confidence ultimately. See this now. We have listed the topics. For example, if you will see now, the topics are more oriented about the schemes, initiatives, acts, bills. What we have done, we have picked them. We have made the one pager summaries, and that too mains oriented. If you can sense, for example, is a Jan Vishwas bill, right? So 2.0 we have released, 1.0 were released earlier. So a very important area which you have to prepare from the mains governance point of view. What we have done, first of all, we have written the features. If you can see, can be asked directly by the UPSC. Then we have done the analysis, that what is the importance or significance or the benefit of this or the need of this. Then the challenges in this, very short or what again the keyword oriented format. Then ultimately a way forward and conclusion. Exactly that is what we have done for almost all the topics. One page, one topic, facts, analysis, way forward, conclusion. Okay. If you can sense the topic, this NALSA. So ultimately foundation day से आंसर को 30 साल हुए हैं. So again a very important topic from your mains point of view. So all the topics which are part of this document are phenomenally important. Now the question arises, sir, how to get the document? In order to get a document, what you have to do is you will find a Google form as a part of Margdarshak program. Margdarshak program for Mains 2026. Right, this is the free program. You need not to pay anything, absolutely nothing. Although free, every year I conduct this program, but a priceless program. Apart from these type of documents, you will be getting the mentorship calls also, mentorship support also. Okay, I mean whenever you stuck in the whatever for whatever reasons. So please fill that form. Once you fill that form, within 24 hours on your WhatsApp, you will be getting a link which you have to join of that private Telegram channel, obviously. Okay. Now we are back with the Telegram, so we can use it again. So that is what you have to do if you want to get the access of this batch. Now there may be question from those who are part of Mains Bootcamp, sir, how we have to go about it. Beta, in Mains Bootcamp Plus or Mains Bootcamp batches for those who are writing mains this year, we have already scheduled 3 classes of mains, right? From next Monday or Tuesday onwards, you will get a dedicated schedule. In these 3 classes, we will cover the entire current affairs of mains. So you need not to worry at all. Okay? Please have faith on the batch, and we are taking forward, as you might have experienced so far. All the classes are being conducted on time. We are having the PYQ sessions also. We are having the live answer writing sessions. So those students who are advanced, we are replacing these sessions with the what is it, their own content. So the batch is well what is the customized batch. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी बस सिर्फ class. We are focusing upon the enrichment also. We are focusing upon the ethics case studies also, and we are focusing upon here how we have to ultimately convert this chance into a rank, right? And under this batch, from now, what we will be doing is we will be making the 55 days or 60 days ka plan 1-to-1. So either me or Kuldeep sir or Amritan sir will be sitting with you, and we will plan each and every day, right? So that you don't go wrong. I can see some of the students focusing more upon the content. So we'll see what is practically doable right now. so that we can ultimately convert this attempt into a good rank. This will be, everything will be one to one, right? Chalo. So that is it from my side. Even if you're part of bootcamp, you may fill or you must fill the Margdarshak form also, so that ultimately you're part of the Telegram channel as well. Okay. So over and out from my side. See you. Thank you.